Hello everybody, myself Muhammad Mutahir Alam, and today we will discuss about our project. The project name is Care All, which is given by EduYoda. Basically, the work of Care All is, in Care All, retired folks make themselves available for care and young folk can earn money by taking care of them. Basically, in this Care All, the person who is retired or the retired person apply for care, and also young folk who is free or who is want to taking care of retired folk, they also apply. Then after young folk get about retired folks, then the young folk send some proposal to the retired folk. Then after the retired folk approved the young folk by their choice to whom or to by whom they want to taking care. Basically this project is depend on this point. Then after some condition are for this project, the main condition is there is a limit of 4 elder per young to take care. That means at a time 4 retired folks are taking care by one young folk, and or young folk giving care only for 4 retired folk. And in this project my work is just to do the code part. So now let's have a look on the code part. So basic thing is that here some person are for Care All. To enter in Care All, first they register themselves. So I have a class in which they register themselves. For that they apply or they give their name, gender, age, email, contact, locality, username and password. Like this. That user 1 registered like registered, then giving the details. Similarly user 2, user 3, user 12. This is. Then after this class automatically divide the registered people into 2 groups. One is retired folk and another is young folk in the basis of the age. Code is this. In the basis, if the age is greater than 50, then they are going into retired folk, or if the age is less than 50, they are going into young folk. Then after the young folk who want to taking care, he pass a code that retired folk details. When a young person pass this code, he get all the retired folk list, all the retired folk details list. But when a retired folk pass this, that show him only his details. When young folk apply this, use this code, he get all the retired folk details, all the retired folk who is registered in this. But when a retired folk use this, he only get his own details. Then after, like this we saw here, user 1 age is 24, so user 1 is a young folk. Well, he is pass retired folk details, he is get this, all the retired folk name, age, contact number, locality, username. He did not get here the password. Okay. Similarly another is MNO, his age is 78. Similarly he get all the retired folk. Then if I pass user 2 dot retired folk, here user 2 is a retired folk because user 2 age is 54, greater than 50, so he is a retired folk. So when we will pass user 2 dot retired folk details, we will get, sorry, you are a part of retired folk, so you only get your details, and the details is he get his own details. He get his own details. So clear? Then next is, after getting the details of retired folk, the young folk sent him proposal. The young folk sent him proposal. So he used this. When he used this, when he passed this code that send proposal, when the young folk passed this code send proposal, then in bracket he passed a proposal which he want to give and what he want to give, and the retired folk username to whom he want to send this proposal, he mentioned their user name, because in before he getting the username of the retired folk, here is the username, he get the all the username of retired folk and all the details, all needed details. Then after he will send them proposal. But if he is not a young folk, he is a retired folk and he send the proposal, then he get, sorry, you are not able to send proposal. He get this message. Then after sending the proposal, the older one get their proposal. When the older one passes this code, that username dot my proposal, when they pass this code, if they are, first condition, if they are, when the retired folk pass this condition or this code my proposal, they get all the details of the person who sent them proposal, like this. Just have a look on this. When they pass here user 4 dot my proposal, when user 4 passes this, here user 4, the age is 78, he is a retired folk. When a retired folk passes this, he get, when he passes this, he get the details of the user who sent proposal and the proposal. So here we see for user 4, here are 3% send the proposal. Here is user 1 send him proposal, user 3 send him proposal, and then user 5 send him proposal. So here we get a list in which we have a 3 list. That's one is dictionary in which the all the details of that user, that is user 1, username is abc1. Then after the second is user 3, username is xyz3, and that last one is user 5, that ghi 5, and this is their proposal. Here this is the proposal which they sent. But if the user is not a retired folk, like user 1 is a young folk, when he pass user 1 dot my proposal, he get only a list of his own proposal, like I want to serve you to whom, MNO4, he sent this proposal to MNO4. Next proposal is sent to STU6, and next proposal is sent QMS11, like this and this, because user 1 sent 5 proposal. Clear this part? Then next, after send the proposal and get the proposal, now the time is to approve the proposal. Who approved the proposal? The retired folk approved the proposal. So when he passed this, retired folk pass, and he passed also a username of young folk, because now he is getting the username of young folk. This is the proposal and this is the username. So he pass. Who passed? The retired folk pass. What retired folk pass? Retired folk pass approved in bracket who passed the username. So user 2 is a, here is user 2. User 2 is a retired folk 54 and he pass code ABC1. Now ABC1 username of whom? User 1. Now he just have a look. User 1 did not send any proposal to user 2 because user 2 username is PQR2, so he did not send any proposal to user 2. If he tried to approve him, he get none because he did not send any proposal. But if user 4 try to approve user 1, because here user 1 sent the proposal to user 4, this is user 4 and this is the username of user 4 and the username of user 1 is that. So when user 1 is sent this proposal to user 4, when he want to approve him, he use his user name. Then he get, what he get? You hired him, he reach at your door soon. Now he hired him. Who hired him? The user 4 hired user 1. After hiring him, after work, the user 1 gets some money, like here I will mention 200 rupees. Here the amount is 200 rupees which will be given to the young folk by the retired folk. So when he approved him, then after user 4 give 200 rupees to user 1. So now we will check the account details of user 1 and user 4. Before this, both the account of user is equal to 0. Now we will get that for user 1 the amount is 200, that is increases 2000, and now the account of user 4 is minus 2000, that means 2000 is deducted from user 4 account. Then after we have a condition, a young folk only work for only 4 retired folk. If user 4, he said the proposal to whom? The user 4, user 6, user 11, user 12 and user 8. So when they all approved him, sorry, here how many person approved him? That's 5%. But our condition is he is work only for 4%. So then here we get this. But now you hired him. This is 4 times. That means 4% is hired him, and the last one for user 12 that show the younger is not available. Then he is not available. So again we will check the user 1 amount, that he work for 4%, so he get 2000 rupees 4 times. Now his account balance is 8000. Now if any younger person try to approve, but he did not approve, he get, if user 7 try to approve, if here user 7 try to approve, then so we try to pass this, then we will get this. Sorry, this is only approved by retired folk. Then after all the details, then after that we have a part of reviews. In reviews, every user send reviews and rating. If anyone want to send reviews and rating, he just pass this code give reviews self.give reviews. So any user want to give reviews like that, user one want to give reviews, user one dot give reviews, then the he type his reviews, then after he will send the rating. Here 4% send their reviews and rating. If another user want to know about the user the reviews and rating, he will get like this. He get all the name of all name and reviews what they give reviews and the rating what rating they give. Similarly ABC give reviews this, and similarly PQR give this, and MNO give this, rating is 4.3, JKL give this rating. Okay, thank you all.